This is a $50 challenge. We'll see if this dollar will get burned by this induction stove. Okay. I want to make some coffee. I plug in the induction stove. I switch on. Okay. I power it on. Off. I got a stainless cookware over here. I got some water. This is made for coffee. I will place the stainless cookware over here. It got a ferromagnetic underneath. Okay. I want to make some coffee. And this is a $50 challenge. Let's see if this dollar will get burned. After this thing will get hot and make us some hot water. Okay, I will put this underneath. Okay. I will switch on the electric induction stove. Okay. I will set the temperature to 100 degrees. 60 times 10, 70, 80, 90, 90 degrees. Okay. Then I will set the timer for 5 minutes. Okay. The $50 is underneath. It's at the bottom of the cookware. And it is now heating up. Okay. Temperature is 90 degrees. For 5 minutes, I want to make some coffee. Let's see if the dollar will get burned. I got my coffee. Oh, I'll get my creamer. Okay. Let us see if the water will be hot after 5 minutes, and we shall see if the dollar will get burned. What's up, guys? I'm preparing this one because I am anticipating that the cookware will be hot when I pour the water. This is a $50 challenge. The dollar bill is underneath the cookware while we are heating up the water for us to make coffee. The temperature is set to 90 degrees centigrade. The timer is for 5 minutes. Smoking, guys. I add 2 more minutes. So actually, I set the timer for 7 minutes. I want my water to be hot when I pour it on my coffee. This is an induction stove. It will cook food without any fire. It's just the induction, it's just the plugs underneath. So as you see, there's no fire. And as a challenge, I put a $50 underneath, and let us try to see if that $50 will get burned. The water is boiling. Hey guys, the water is boiling. We don't have any fire. It's an induction stove, so it will cook by induction. It's true magnetism. And there's a $50 challenge. There's a... Oh, it's hot already. Okay? It's hot. Okay, I will shut off. It's hot. The water is hot, guys. I'm ready to make coffee. Okay. I'm ready to make coffee. Okay. Let us see if the dollar is still intact. The dollar is still intact. Sup, guys? So this is the $50 challenge for induction stove. Even if you put money underneath while you are cooking, it will not get burned. Okay? So I got a coffee, guys. I will try to test my coffee. Whoo! Ah! It's more delicious than Starbucks. Okay, guys? My $50 is still intact. Okay? Induction stove will not burn money while you are cooking if you place that money underneath the cookware. See you.